I'm not in Delhi. I'm not in South Africa. I'm here in Embassy Row in Washington, D.C., of all places. Mahatma Gandhi, the hat's off to a freedom fighter without ever being involved in violence. How beautiful is that? Wow. Wherever you go, imagine it's not about what other people thinks about you. It is about how your mind is set. It's the dawn of a day, a brand new day. How can you be of some useful intent, useful nature of being a human with immense possibility to do the best you can? It's not about what others have in their mind and thinking about you. It is their mind that it shouldn't bother you. What must focus of your attention is of your mind, that it's not a foul one, that it's a pleasant one, that it smiles along the way. Yes, and that's what I'm going to do all day today. Going to the historic places, walking the footsteps of our forefathers and what they have done to make sure that we live a peaceful life here on earth. Are you willing? I am. Always, every morning. Woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning, just 2.5 hours of sleep after crossing the pond from Great Britain to a great nation of America. Here I am on a journey once again. Step forward. But before I took that step this morning, I came up with a conscious, responsible way of being as a human. Hence why I'm called a human being. Hence why I'm also taking an inward step to know what is within me.